Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in the previous videos, I was clearly explaining that Nifty Bank Nifty is moving inside the range. Okay, raising wage. You can see this is what we are discussing about. This is this for this opportunity we are waiting from last 1 week, and finally it had a break. See, it is moving inside the wedge, and I'm every day I am clearly explaining in the previous videos. Just wait for the break. And last previous video I had explained that it had a break and it can be the just retracement here. It had just break and retracement and downfall. Okay, I had explained in the previous video clearly, and who didn't watch the previous videos, and they would have missed this opportunity. And if you I had updated in the telegram as well. If you're not joined in the telegram, you can join now, link in the description. And Nifty also, I explained previous videos same, like it is moving inside the ranges. See, it is moving inside this range. Okay, in this up to this market, until it breaks we can make profits by hedging the positions. Okay, and I explained the previous videos as well. And wait for the breakout. See, it had a break, and it is now completely at the resistance, sorry, support zone. And let me clear this. And see, for tomorrow, as we discussed, this it had a break, it had a clear break. And now if you observe the bank nifty, this is a 15 minute time frame chart. And if you observe this clearly, here we have a supporting zone. That's why bank nifty comes up to here and it went upside momentum. And here we have to observe one thing. Market won't fall, complete fall, downfall. Okay, it has to give the retracements, and I am expecting this is as a retracement, and we can expect a good downfall again. Okay, once it is breaks these levels, and we can expect the downfall up to this level. Okay, this is if you go to one day time frame, this is a major support actually. See, this is a major support zone. Okay, and we can expect up to these levels. Let me change it to 15 minute. Here we have to observe this thing. We are at the completely at support zone. Okay, we are at completely support zone, and it is giving a retracement from here. Okay, these levels are very important for tomorrow. And if you see if you see previous levels, see, these can be the resistance point. Okay, and supporting points, this is the rectangle box, it can be the supporting points. Market may move inside this range, or else if it is give break downfall, I am expecting downfall here. It retracement like this will decide which trend it is after once market opens. Okay, I am at selling, still I am at selling side of bank nifty, because it had a huge breakdown, and I am expecting up to this range. Okay, this is the level is 21,032. Okay, this can be the supporting levels for this. And here if you observe, here we have more support. We have to consider this support as well. Okay, with this support it can give sideways market, or else it can break these levels. There is a less chances to break upside momentum, because we had a clear breakdown from last 1 week. This trend line, we had a clear breakdown. I am expecting up to these levels. Okay, it is in downtrend now. Okay, if it comes to nifty, here I explained that it was inside the range. Even bank nifty is in strong, it is in uptrend, slightly uptrend, but nifty is completely in sideways market. It had a break, and now it can be downfall. See, here also it is at complete support range. Okay, it can break easily, it can break. See, these so 1 2 3 4 rejections here only, and if you see, this is a resistance zone and this is support area, and this time it can give the break, and I'm expecting to reach these levels. Okay, not tomorrow only, in this week we can expect to reach these levels. It can be give some retracements like this. Okay, this is the levels for tomorrow. For sub resistance point, let me clear this. See, for Nifty, this is the range, support and resistance range. Okay, still till now I'm at selling side, and you can also observe the market. It can be a sideways market. It can be sideways market because after this huge downfall, it won't give the clear downfall again. Okay, it can be sideways market 1 or 2 days, or sometime it can give downfall again. Okay, this can be support line, and if it is breaks, we can take the position at selling side. Okay, this is the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and if you are new to this video, kindly share this video to your friends.